Okay, so putting the Google code in like this is super helpful because then any student can discover that, can find the code for your classroom at any time. But it's even better to just explicitly invite every single student into your classroom. So I'm going to show that for my 5th period Google Classroom here. So the first thing that you want to do is go and get all of the emails for all of those students, because it's the email that you use to invite them into the classroom. So I will start with Teacher Miscellaneous, send emails. This is a very useful interface because I can just do add recipients. I'm going to do students only, and I'm going to go period, and I'm going to find period 5, first quarter, and click go. Okay, so these are all of the students that are in my 5th period class. So I'm going to click add all, and then I'm going to click OK. And so now you see that all of those students have been placed here. And so I can simply just click select all and copy. And so now I've copied all those email addresses. So now I'm going to go into my 5th period class, and I'm going to go to people. So I maybe did that a little fast, but I'm in my 5th period class. You see some kids just used that code they found on the website and already signed themselves up, but there's a handful more that have not. So I'm going to go ahead and click invite students here. And now I can just take and paste all those emails. So at first it's like, hey, that's a mess. I don't understand what you're doing. But what you can actually do is sort of click just below, and it'll kind of make them all resolve like this. It's a little funny thing, but if you click in the blank space at the bottom, then they kind of turn into people you can invite. So I'm going to hit invite, and you'll see I'm going to get an error. So it says can't invite 3 students from these domains. So we actually have 3 kids who have Gmail addresses in there. So I have to pick those out. And so what you can do is just do Control F and GMAIL. And so it says it found 6 different instances of it. But if I keep paging through there, okay, so there's one of them. So if I click on that, I can exit. And then I can do this again. So there should be 3 of these. Well, let's just try it again, see what happens. So it says there's still 2 more. So I'm going to look for those addresses. Who is it? It is, that's why it's not showing up. It is this doll. Yeah, there we go. So that one goes away. I can try again, and it's going to try and find the next one. Oh, it's Phoebe, PH. So that's right there. So I'll get rid of that one. Okay, so those are all the non-OUSD addresses. That's kids' personal address. So now I can hit invite. Now this time I got another one that says 11 students that I can't invite. These are all OUSD. That's actually fine because those are the kids who already enrolled. So I can just hit cancel. And you'll see here, I've now got invites out to all of these other kids. Now, all those students have to do is go to classroom.google.com, and they will see that they have been invited.